everybody? It's your boy Moto. Woo! Oh, my back tire slid out in front of me. I was gonna do a wheelie. How you boys doing today? I am on my GSXR going to see a movie. I only have one battery. I wanted to talk to you boys and girls. How you're doing on this lovely day? I've been kind of doing this content grind for a little bit. I'm going to be grinding out some content for you people. I'll be riding more and more and more and more. I hope it don't rain on me. For you guys, and because I be doing rides every day. I be doing all sorts of rides. I do rides on my GSXR, on my MT, on my Supermoto. Screw the Grom, never ride it. But you know how it is. We just doing that stuff. We just be doing stuff. We be hanging out. I hope this records, it actually records. I've been trying to use this external battery to charge while I ride, but I think I'm just gonna resort to either getting a new camera or just buying like 500 different batteries, because for some reason every time I plug in a new battery like pack to charge while recording, it just doesn't work. It literally just does not work. It actually feels pretty good outside today. It's about 80 degrees. It's been so hot. Storms have been hitting. All sorts of stuff has been, wild stuff has been happening. So I don't want to really make this a super long video. I'm going to do a little ride with you boys and girls. You know, of course, can't make this a contentless video, but it won't be a super long video. Interesting choice of things to do right there. The most dangerous part about me is the fact that every time I turn on my camera, something happens. This man is actually following they knocked the trash can over. This man's actually going the speed limit. No, wait, take that back. He's going under the speed limit. I hope this guy knows I will not follow him at the speed limit. I'm not gonna sit there and follow that guy for 30 miles an hour. But yeah, we're gonna go see a movie today. I don't know what movie we're gonna go see. I think it's gonna be Transformers. It's been out for a while now, but I wanted to go hang out with a friend I haven't seen in quite some time. Like, I don't see him like too much. The funny thing is, I know so many motorcycles in Shreveport, but none of them do, like, you know, content creation really. I have one other guy who, a good friend of mine now, because we've been riding a lot lately. I went to like a lot of Supermoto rides, and I've noticed that not a lot of people have Supermotos, and not a lot of people do like a lot of content creation with motorcycles. So it's like, you know, Shreveport's a fun place. We have some of the highest crime and interesting stuff that goes on here, so why not get somebody I deem myself worthy to make some little movie videos and stuff like that about different stuff that happens on what's been happening around in Shreveport. I can't speak right now. Man, it's just too pretty of a day. I never wheelie this bike, man. I gotta get used to wheeling this. There's so many possums on the ground. Yesterday, there was a huge shootout in a local place where some guy was boarded up in a building. I gotta go read the article again, but it was really interesting. The house caught on fire. There was a big standoff. They took because we have Shreveport-Bossier, and they're blocked off by like the Red River that divide them, which divides Shreveport and Bossier, and they had to bring in people from Bossier because they're more bougie and nice. They have a better police department and more stuff, and brought them down to Shreveport to help out with the, you know, the standoff, because they have like a whatchamacallit armored vehicle. So it sounds like they breached the garage and it started catching on fire. The guy had a hostage. So that was yesterday. I'll throw a little article on the thing. I don't know how much that'll help. And then this road right here is screwed up right now. Like, see how it's nicely paved right here, and then that middle section's not, because they just repaved this road. It's been the past couple weeks. My goodness, I almost wiped out so many times on this road. I was jumping that on my other bike. You could hit some nasty little wheelies. We're gonna bend a rim. You know, the normal. See, and I don't even know how good this microphone's gonna work on this bike, because I never really set up this microphone in I haven't set this microphone up in a long time in general. And also, I somehow managed to lose my undersleeve of my helmet, so I don't even know if it blew off or what. All of a sudden now I don't know where it's at. Wouldn't you know if it blew off? Dude, I have no clue. I don't keep track of that kind of stuff. What the heck are you doing, buddy? Why are you going so slow? At least I've only almost died one time today. Usually it's like, you know, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 times. And like 10 of them are me. The others are like 50-50. Like it's me going like 160 and being like, ooh, I need to slow down, you know? Bumpity 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 bump. See, it doesn't matter how fast you are, you will always get stuck by a light. I do illegal racing in moderation. See, I'm a good man. I'm a good boy.
Tomorrow.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy. Guess who's back? Saw Mission Impossible. Mission Impossible was a very long movie. Jesus. Went to Buffalo Wild Wings, of course, ate some food. Good evening, good evening. Now I gotta go to bed, go wake up, and go to work. That is the life of a motorcyclist, isn't it? But Mission Impossible, solid part 1, 7.5, 7.8 out of 10. Need gas? I do kind of need gas. Do I get gas here or do I get gas later? I'll get gas in a little bit. Nighttime riding is so much nicer. I wish this road was more lit up though. I don't understand why it's not lit up more. Bum ba bum ba bum ba bum. Something circle, okay. Is that a hot dog outfit? Dude, what did I just see? If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you boys and girls in the next episode of tomfoolery with me. Not much of an episode. This was more of a test of me and my camera. See if it survives. See how shaky it is. See if I need to get a new mount. Anyways, thank you boys and girls. It's been your boy, Mordo. Have a good evening. Drive safe.